Learning Zili Nishmas Etta Ahuva B'Zakim L'Sechas Bava Basra Perek Yud Mishna Gimel Kaisin Get L'Ish Afal Pi Shein Ishtei Ima. You could write a get for the man even though the woman is not there, because he could be Megarish her Bal Karcha anyhow, so he could write it without the Isha. V'Hashover L'Isha. You could write a shover that an Isha accepted her ksuva without the Baal there, because this is to her chayiv to have such a piece of paper around, and it's for his benefit. And Zachan L'Adam Shalei B'Fanav. The Mishnah says that it has to be at the Sefer as Makir, the Shem Ha'ish V'Isha, both by the get and the shaver, because we're afraid that otherwise someone's going to do it for a different wife in order to collect, in order to use this get to get married with it. The Mishnah continues, the Baal has to pay for the schar of a get. The Gemara says nowadays, now the Isha pays for it because which means because of takanas agunas, they didn't want that a person's going to say that I'm not giving a get because I'm waiting for the sefer. They said she'll just pay the money for the get, and therefore this way the get will be available to be given right away, and she won't remain in aguna. The Mishnah continues, you can write a shtar halva for the loiva, even though the malva is not here, because again, it's for the schus of the malva and it's bad for the loiva. But the opposite, in case of the malva, who pays for this? Because it's for the benefit of the loiva to borrow the money, so the loiva has to pay for the schar of the shtar, of the writing of the shtar. We write a shtar for a moicher even though the lekeach's not with him, because again, it's for the benefit of the lekeach, and it's the moicher doesn't want such a shtar hanging around saying that he sold his field if he didn't sell it. And in case in lekeach, and who pays for this? Because it's for the benefit of the lekeach to buy a field. Mishnah Dalet, in case in Shari Erisim in Nesuin, you can't write Shtar Erisim, which is a Tanaim. The Gemara explains that they used to make up how much each side between the parents of the boy and the parents of the girl, how much money is going to be given. And Erisin and Shtar Nesuin, Reshbam says, is the Ksuva. Elamidash name has to be mitzad both sides. The Chasen pays for this shtar tanaim or shtar ksuva to be written. In case in shari arisus v'kablanas elamidash shneim, you can't write a shtar of arisus or kablanas unless both parties are there. The aris or the person that's paying the chakiras, he has to pay the schar of the sefer. In case in shari berurin v'chol ma'ase bezin elamidash shneim. What's shari berurin? The Gemara says two pshatim. Either it's each person's tainus and bezdin is written down, so you can't be chayzer from what he says later on, or it's which dayan they choose. In the halacha of zeh bar le'echad, when you get the three dayan and one chooses one, so that original choice is written down, and that's called the shtarei berurin. So that's written midash shneim, v'shneim leisin schar, they both pay for it. You could say that you want to have two pieces of paper, even though one of them says, I'd rather it all be on one paper, so this way it saves money. The halacha is, Rabbi Gamliel argues and says that no, I want it to be on two papers because I don't want my schus to be written right next to your schus. I don't want my taina to be right next to your taina, because that's just going to aggravate the fight.